There we go. Looks like they have red carpet event. Let's do it.
What's up, everybody? Beaching with the Boons, and today we're going to go have lunch at the Hard Rock Cafe here in Myrtle Beach.
We haven't been here since it was a pyramid and right across the street. So let's go check it out.
The Hard Rock Cafe.
So right whenever you walk in, you got their merchandise.
And it's nice and cool in here.
It is. Very nice. Oh, look at the drum set up there. And here are those famous Hard Rock Cafe shirts. I know everyone's at least owned one of those. I had that one right there. About maybe 10, 20 years ago. But look at that. Cool, huh? They even have some bling on them. Oh, and look at here. We have Anthony all the way from New York. He said he watched us before he moved down here. You loving it, Anthony?
Love it. Love it. You guys, great channel. Subscribe.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
All right, so coming to the Hard Rock Cafe here in Myrtle Beach. It's a tourist location, so I paid $8 for a beer. Thought I was at the airport.
And they'll text you by phone to let you know that your table is ready. The top is not open, but she did say that we could go up there and film. So we're going to check it out after we look at it a little bit down here. All right.
So all the instruments and items you see here are from actual bands and artists and writers and people like that.
Cool.
So if you look up here, that's Guns N' Roses drum set right there.
Oh, that's neat.
Let's see what's upstairs.
Our drums hanging from the ceiling. That's pretty neat. And I'm not sure if you heard what they said, but unfortunately, the upstairs dining area is closed right now. This is where I want to come.
This is where we're gonna sit for Halloween.
Most definitely.
So,
Well, we need them to trim those trees, but look at that. Cool view. Sweet, huh? And if you do want to sit up here for Halloween, they said that you had to call and make reservations. So book way ahead of time. And we might just see you up here. There's Beatbox, and look, take a hold of that. All right, and back inside. Go inside. There's plenty of seating. They have a first and a second floor, and look at all that dining. This would be cool to have birthday parties, anniversary day, anything. And if they're a big hard rock fan, this is the place you'll want to bring them. So you won't miss a beat. So they set us right here beside the bar, and they set us at Miley Cyrus's table with their jacket, with those spikes.
What'd you get?
So I got a blackberry sangria. So I decided to go with the tangy buffalo barbecue bites. Wow, look at that.
And I got the sliders, the burger sliders with the onion rings.
I can't wait.
Well, there's a look at the Hard Rock Cafe right here in downtown Myrtle Beach at Broadway at the Beach. If you like this video, how about give it a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed to this channel.
Because that helps us bring you more videos.
And it's free, right?
Yeah.
And if you hit that bell notification, it'll alert you to new videos that we post each week because we post weekly.
If you need me, I'll be at the beach.
We'll catch you on the next video. As always, keep beaching.